Hi, it's Chris at H&I Automotive and bringing you another Motor Minute. And today just want to quickly discuss one of the charities we do here at H&I. It's called Red Nose Day. And Red Nose Day is put on by Comic Relief, and it's to help end child poverty worldwide. So basically it's a fundraiser. They collect money pretty much throughout the year, but on May 23rd is actually Red Nose Day, which we encourage you to wear your red nose. Have a good time, collect some money for charity. Here at H&I, we actually do it all May long. We just ask for a $5 donation when you're checking out with your regular invoice, and that whole $5 will go towards the charity. So it's a great cause. We're glad to be a part of it. It's our third year. Red Nose Day has been around for 5 years in the U.S., actually since '88 in the U.K., and in the U.S. it's raised almost $150 million so far. So they're doing a great job, and it is a great cause. So hopefully you'll participate with us. Again, May 23rd, there is a show on NBC that's like the fundraising show, and they'll tell you what the total is for this year. So tune into that if you want, and then just stop by H&I and make your donation, and you'll get one of these cool red noses. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks so much. Have a great day.